Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the Bose SoundLink Revolve and Series 2, a portable Bluetooth speaker designed to deliver room-filling 360-degree sound with crystal clear clarity. Whether you're at home, outdoors, or on the go, this speaker ensures your music reaches every corner with consistent depth and rich tones. With a sleek black finish and an easy-to-carry handle, it's as stylish as it is functional. The Revolve N Series 2 features long-lasting battery life, letting you enjoy up to 17 hours of uninterrupted playback. It's water-resistant, so splashes or rain won't interrupt your party, and the built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls. Pair it seamlessly with your devices via Bluetooth, or connect two Revolve N speakers for a bigger stereo experience. Bose's signature acoustic engineering ensures that every note, from deep bass to crisp highs, sounds natural and balanced. Setting it up is straightforward, just press the Bluetooth button, pair, and you're ready to play. The speaker's cylindrical design helps project sound in all directions, eliminating sweet spots and filling any space with immersive audio. Whether you're hosting a backyard gathering, streaming a movie, or just relaxing with your favorite playlist, this speaker adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. With Series 2, Bose has improved battery efficiency and enhanced durability without compromising on sound performance. The portable handle makes it ideal for travel, and the minimalistic design ensures it complements any setting. Its water-resistant design is perfect for poolside or kitchen use, while the powerful sound delivers an unforgettable experience indoors. So if you want a speaker that combines portability, durability, and 360-degree sound, the Bose SoundLink Revolve N Series 2 is your perfect companion. Check out the Amazon link in the description to grab yours today, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech updates.